children, it is very essential to know that all these three things were uh, the main points of the message of all the prophets. Allah sent so many prophets in the world to guide the mankind. The first prophet was Hazrat Adam alayhi salam, and Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is the last one. In between, Allah sent 1,24,000 prophets. So, my dear children, you should know that these three main points were the common teachings of all the prophets. Number one, Tawheed. Number two, Risala. Number three, Akhira. Under the heading of Tawheed, two things are mentioned. Number one, Allah. Number two, destiny. जब हम तौहीद की बात करते हैं तो इसका मतलब यह है कि इसमें अल्लाह पर ईमान शामिल है और तकदीर पर ईमान, जिसको हम डेस्टिनी कहते हैं. नंबर टू, दूसरे ग्रुप में जो रखा जाएगा उन सात में से, वो है एंजल्स यानी फरिश्तों पर ईमान. नंबर फोर, द बुक्स यानी अल्लाह की किताबों पर ईमान. नंबर फाइव, द मैसेंजर्स, अल्लाह के रसूलों पर ईमान. थर्ड ग्रुप में we can put these two things, the last day and life after death. These two things are interconnected. So all seven beliefs or articles of faith can be grouped into three major things. I repeat, number one, Tawheed, number two, Risala, number three, Akhira. बच्चों, ये बात बहुत क्लियर हो जानी चाहिए कि जितने भी नबी दुनिया में आए, आदम अलैहिस्सलाम से लेकर हज़रत मोहम्मद मुस्तफ़ा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम तक 1,24,000, प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की एक हदीस के मुताबिक तकरीबन 1,24,000 नबी दुनिया में भेजे गए, और वो सबके सब उनकी कॉमन टीचिंग्स ये तीन चीज़ें थीं. तौहीद, तौहीद अभी हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके बारे में, लेकिन फिर भी I would like to tell you, Tawheed means oneness of Allah. Allah is one. Number two, Risala means prophethood. Number three, Akhira, life after death. So these three things were main points of the teachings of all the prophets. What is Tawheed? Tawheed is an Arabic word. It is taken from Arabic number, that is Wahid. Wahid means one. Just like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In Arabic also there are numbers. The first number is Wahid. Wahid means one, ek. Tawheed is also taken from this Wahid. Wahid means oneness. Oneness of Allah. Tawheed means the oneness of Allah. It is the main part of Iman, and it is beautifully expressed in Surah Al-Ikhlas. तौहीद का मतलब होता है कि अल्लाह को एक मानना. दुनिया में ऐसे बहुत से लोग हैं जो एक अल्लाह को छोड़कर बहुत से देवी देवताओं की पूजा करते हैं, बहुत से चीज़ों को अपना खुदा बना रखा है, उनके सामने सर झुकाते हैं, उनसे मिन्नतें मांगते हैं, उनके आगे हाथ फैलाते हैं और उनसे उम्मीदें रखते हैं कि ये हमारी मुसीबत और परेशानी दूर करेंगे. बट इस्लाम सेज दैट it is not allowed. It is the most ruinous sin, because Allah is one. Allah has created everything. Allah is one in his existence, and he is one also in his attributes. Allah ताला अपनी ज़ात में भी अकेला है और अपनी सिफात में भी अकेला है. Let us see, it is beautifully expressed in Surah Al-Ikhlas. Surah Al-Ikhlas आप सबको याद है, and see on the screen, this is very well known surah, you all know. It may be that you don't know by its name, but I think and I believe that you all remember this surah. Surah Al-Ikhlas, its name is Al-Ikhlas. Al-Ikhlas means the purity. Purity. It means nothing is mixed in this surah except Tawheed. Tawheed is mentioned in this surah. It means that about Allah is this surah was revealed. What is the background of this surah? You should know that. Then you can understand the true meaning of this surah. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam को मक्का वाले बहुत परेशान करते थे. You know that. एक दिन मक्का वालों ने प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से यूं ही मजाक में पूछा कि मोहम्मद, टेल मी व्हाट इज द फैमिली ट्री ऑफ योर लॉर्ड. यानी प्यारे नबी सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम से कहा कि अपने रब, अपने खुदा या जिसकी इबादत की बात कह रहे हैं आप, उसका नसब क्या है, शजरा क्या है, फैमिली ट्री क्या है. अरब के लोग फैमिली ट्री या शजरा को बहुत इम्पोर्टेंस दिया करते थे. यहाँ तक कि वो लोग अपने घोड़े भी शजरा देखकर ही नहीं पालते थे और ख़रीदते थे. यानी कि ये घोड़ा किस घोड़े का बच्चा है, ये घोड़ा किस घोड़े का बच्चा, एक्सेट्रा लाइक दैट. So they asked the family tree of Allah, of the Lord, of the Creator. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam was silent. He could not answer. But Allah was watching and seeing everything. Allah sent Hazrat Jibreel with the surah. Then Jibreel salam came to the Prophet and asked him to recite the surah. So in the beginning, he asked Muhammad to recite. Say, Qul. Qul means say. Huwallahu ahad. The Lord about whom I am talking to you is Allah. Ahadun, the one. One thing should be clear here also. Ahadun, Tawheed, Wahid. All these three words are taken from the same word and it means one. Ahadun means one, Wahid means one, Tawheed means oneness. So Jibreel al-Islam asked to recite the surah. Qul, say. The translation is there on the screen. You can see that. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. The first ayat, Qul huwallahu ahad. Say, He is Allah, the one and only. Ayat number 2, Allahu Samad. Allah, the eternal, the absolute. Ayat number 3, Lam yalid wa lam yulad. He has no offspring, nor is he born from anything. Ayat number 4, Walam yakullahu kufuwan ahad. And there is none like unto him. My dear children, you saw that about oneness of Allah is mentioned in the Holy Quran, in this surah. It means this surah is purely for the oneness of Allah. That is why its name is Al-Ikhlas. Al-Ikhlas means purity. Now, I will